Hey everyone, welcome back to... Today I'm going to share a quick and effective solution for an issue I recently faced with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth detection issue on laptop motherboard. If you've encountered similar problems, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into it. So here's what happened to me. Now I've found a simple fix that might just work for you too. Follow these steps carefully. The first step is to power off. Make sure it's completely shut down before moving on to the next steps. Now, unplug the power cable from the power supply unit, PSU. This step is crucial, so make sure there's no power going to your system. Next, hold down the power button on your PC for a full 30 seconds. This might seem a bit unusual, but trust me, it plays a key role in resolving the issue. After the 30 seconds, reconnect the power cable. We're essentially performing a reset here, so this step is essential. Now it's time to boot up your PC. Cross your fingers and power it on. With any luck, this quick reset should have sorted out the problem. I came across this solution online, and it seems that it helps reset any potential static electricity issues or interference causing the problem. It worked for me, so I wanted to share it with all of you. And there you have it, a quick and easy fix for B550F Wi-Fi motherboard issues. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. If you have any questions or other solutions, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.